This real estate advantage property video is presented by Cynthia Johnson. Exciting investment opportunity in a picturesque location. Nearby activities include Allegany hiking trails, Onoville Marina, Salamanca Casino and snowmobiling. Meticulously maintained with upgrades such as new central air installed in 2024 and an outdoor gazebo in 2007. The property also includes an on-site generator which runs everything in the event of a power outage. A part of the roof over the back of the building was replaced in March 2024 and new shingles were installed over the middle of the building in 2014. There is a huge parking lot for 70 or more cars. A semi-furnished studio apartment, with separate electric, is located in the back of the building and can be rented out or owner-occupied. The property has 2 dug wells, but only one is needed and used. All offers must include proof of funds and a pre-qualification letter. Don't let this one slip away. For more information,